Myself B. Malati, research scholar under Dr. K. Chandrasekharaya, SIT JNTUH. I shall be presenting now the paper which is entitled as Web Intelligent Information Systems, a PGF mediated social media evaluation perspective. The contents of my presentation are the abstract of the paper, the keywords of the paper, introduction, related work which is related to this paper, motivation, features of intelligent web information systems, which is nothing but social media, which we have considered here, applications of intelligent web information systems, that is the illustrative websites which we have used, comparison of the feature which is nothing but social media, considering the degree of social media as a comparison perspective, then the conclusion, and finally references. The abstract of the paper. We have described the features of intelligent web information systems, that is social media inclusion. Okay, and even we have explained the applications of intelligent web information systems with some illustrative websites and their SMD values. Later, we have tabulated a comparison feature study of variety of intelligent web information websites. We also presented the significance of the degree of social media in some illustrative websites. This is the abstract of the paper. Then moving on to the keywords. As the evaluation perspective is in terms of the degree of social media, we have included this SMD as a keyword here. And the illustrative websites are nothing but considered as intelligent web information systems. So IWIS is also the keyword which is used here. Then the main intention or motivation for this paper is to campaign our People Governance Forum web page. So it has been included as a keyword for this paper. And all these comes under my research study, which is entitled as Web Intelligence. So that is also included as the keyword here. Later, moving on to the next slide, that is introduction of our paper. We have included two subtopics under introduction, that is social media campaigning and social media linked websites. And under social media campaigning, we have used the social media as projected it as the primary and most used source of information for the visitors, and it is also the most effective environment for some inspiring action. Okay, and the illustrative websites, all the illustrative websites which we have used included this social media as a feature of their websites. So that is the reason which we have included this social media linked websites as a part of introduction. Then moving on to the related work, we have considered some papers which are related to this work which we have done, like a paper which has shown the feature comparison feature study of various multimedia information systems websites, and that paper concluded that the maximum degree of multimedia support has been used in the modern websites. And we have even used paper which shown a cyber remedial forum against the cyber crimes case study to campaign and spread the awareness, and that through the that is done through the People Governance Forum webpage. And even a paper that provided solutions to the ICT problems and presented the research methodology, and in order to show some awareness about the cyber crimes, national spirit, as well as Mother India consciousness. And even we have gone through a paper which showed the social media intelligence of the students. So these are some related works. Then moving on to the motivation of this paper. The main intention is to promote the People Governance Forum web page and also to promote its intentions. We have come up with this People Governance Forum web page to promote the national integration among the students and bring awareness to them of in order to how to use the internet positively. Okay, and the main motivation is to campaign this People Governance Forum web page through some social media and compare it with the social media usage of some other prominent websites. This is the main intention or motivation to our paper. Next, moving on to the next section, that is features of intelligent web information systems. The main feature that we have considered as a social media, and the social media which we have considered here are YouTube, most effectively used social media, that is YouTube, Blogger, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Google Plus, LinkedIn, and SoundCloud. And we need not, I think everybody will be aware of all these social media because they are the most widely used ones, and need not explain about each of this. Then moving on to the next slide, next section of our paper, that is the illustrative websites of this intelligent web information systems. We have majorly considered some prominent or eminent personalities like the Prime Minister of India, President of India, Governor of Telangana, Chief Minister of Telangana and AP, as well as some other websites also like Police Department of Telangana and RTC of Telangana and AP, Passport Office, Income Tax Department, Customs and Excise Department. Apart from this, we want actually to compare with these eminent and good websites with our People Governance Forum web page and web page of the PGF founder also. Okay, and that is the reason we have chosen all these websites. And the comparison when made, we have chosen the website on the left side, and some all the features like social media features as columns, and these as the websites. Finally, the social media columns, addition of all those gave us the degree of social media support, which is nothing but gave the value over there on the second column, and we found that 7 is the highest degree for the social media, which is for the People Governance Forum web page, as well as the founder of People Governance Forum web page, that is Professor Chandrasekharaya K. And what is that we conclude with this paper, and this is the page which is showing the degree 7 in the People Governance Forum web page on the top of it. Okay, and the conclusions is based on the comparison made on social media degree in these illustrative websites, we concluded that SMD is very significant in modern media campaign. This motivated us to exploit the social media for our campaign about PGF and the realization of its goals. Hence, we followed the SM approach for PGF and achieved SMD 7, which is highest. The high SMD value increased our campaign benefits and results in more awareness generation. We use this high SMD value PGF for promoting the national integrity, integration, academic ethics, respect for the constitution, national solidarity and national consciousness. This work gave us a sense of pride for shouldering the national responsibility in this manner, because we have undertaken this work just for the national cause without any iota of personal benefit. Thank you.